Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel N-Easy1. So finally, PAWS airdrop allocation checker is now live. So every one of us who found this airdrop can now go ahead and check your allocation. So before we get started in the video, all I need from you guys is go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel N-Easy1, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So in order for us to check our airdrop allocation, first thing first is go to your pawscommunity.web. So after I click on the pawscommunity.web, I'll be dropping the link in the description of my video. All you need to do is go ahead and verify yourself and use that of Phantom Wallet. So after I click on Phantom Wallet, so let's wait for it to load. So click on confirm and go ahead and click on this home screen. You can see these three dots here. So click on these three dots. So after I click on that three dots, then what you need to do is to go ahead and click on this claim section. So this way you are going to claim your allocation on PAWS airdrop. After I click on claim, so you can see that it says calculation, claim PAWS, everything has been done. So what you need to do is go ahead and click on next. So after I click on next, you can see all the things that he's doing. You can see that you have calculated all the whole things which you do, such as the inviting of your friends, your PAWS balance, the WPAWS also, and the total referrals that you have brought to the PAWS airdrop. So after I do all that, what you need to do is go ahead and click on next. So after I click on next, you can see that this is my own airdrop allocation. So I was given about 3,306 airdrop allocation. So I don't know about you guys, so you can go ahead and check your own airdrop allocation. So you can see that this is the amount which I was given, about 3,306 PAWS. So this is the amount which they are going to be used when they listed. So this is what you need to do in order to check your airdrop allocation. So if you find this video helpful, so all I need from you guys is go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel N-Easy1, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates. So peace out.